Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. This is June 2020, 52 variant, question number 2. All right. What a question we given here. 500 students were asked for, okay, one of the four colleges. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 colleges are there. And they prefer soccer or hockey. So students are categorized and following table is mentioned clearly. You can understand the table. All right. Now let's start. Find the probability random chosen students are at Canton College and prefers hockey. So we look at here. So from here, this is C Canton and hockey. So they meet here. So it means 56 students are total there. Oh, sorry, 56. Those can satisfy this condition. So students at Canton College and prefer hockey. So 56. So 56 divided by total 500. Okay, so if you divide it, okay, it gives us 14 over 125. You write like this, or you can write in decimals even, no issue at all. So I believe up till here, up till here, no, not a big trouble. Okay, let's talk about the next part. Next part is conditional probability. How you can ask me how you know how I get it, because there's a given that word. Given that words is giving a hint that this is a conditional probability question. Okay, what is method to do? After given that, whatever prefers soccer, sorry. So I read a statement. Find the probability random chosen student is from D college, Dever College, given that prefers to soccer. So after given that, whatever will go in denominator. So look, I show you what I'm saying about. So actually, this is we can say soccer, okay, and this D I'm writing here. So this is a way of writing, but how to write it? This one technically after slash means given that. Whatever after given that comes will come directly in denominator. So probability those who like soccer. And in the numerator, this and given that word replaced by a and the and. You will not read given that now. Read together and. So find the probability chosen from Devar College and prefer soccer, sorry. So probability Devar College and soccer. So this is a way to do it. So soccer is not a hard job. Soccer are total 280. All students 280. 280 by 500 will go directly in denominator. 280 divided by 500 will come directly in denominator because it's the probability of soccer. So soccer 280 out of 500. Now I'm reading D and soccer. D and soccer. D and soccer. So total are 120. D and soccer. So 120 out of 500 will go in numerator directly. And you know it very well, students, this 500 will cancel out, and 120 divided by 280 is my answer. So 3 by 7 is final answer for it. So let's go for the next last part. One of student is chosen at random, determine whether the event student prefer is hockey. So look at here, he put a comma. Can you see students are confused sometime in this kind of question. Best technique, he put a comma starting from here and comma ending here. So students prefer hockey. I will find hockey, HOCKEY, probability of hockey. So what is the probability of hockey? Hockey are 220 out of 500. So 220 out of 500. I simplify 220 divided by 500. It is giving me, this simplification is not compulsory. If you don't do simplify, no problem at all. Okay, after and, what is a, okay, let me underline. This is the first part, and I put and in circle, and student at a Amos College and a Ben College. Okay, he put or. So Amos College yes, student, let's back here. Some disconnection was there. Anyway, So hockey, I got it. Now he said that I underline it. Students prefer hockey. I put this underline, and this and word is there. And student Moss College and Ben College. So let's discuss this one. So how we can find this one? So Amos or Ben. So Amos and or Ben. Amos or Ben, it means, wait a minute, it means total students of Amos and Ben. So because we have to talk about this one, so total are Amos and Ben. So you can see here, wait a minute, let me check. So Amos and Ben. Yes, so it is Amos and, oh, wait a minute, 1 minute, please. Yeah, student Amos or Ben. Okay, so students, though total students are how many are Amos or Ben? So you can see from here, we have to add this four. Hold on, let me find out. 1 minute, please. Yeah, this all student we have ticket. Logic. Why this all? Because we Amos or Ben, okay, we no care about soccer or hockey. So if you add this all four, so I just added and I got 242. So it means this 242 by 500. Okay, and divided by simplest form, I get what? 121 over 250. I repeat, so students prefer hockey. I got it here. And student at as Amos and Ben College, I wrote here. And Amos and Ben College, we don't care about soccer or hockey. We take both all. So I think all understanding why I wrote this one. So probability of these two colleges means 242 out of 500. Now last sentence, because whenever we prove it, we have a special formula. What is the formula? Probability of A intersection B must equal to probability of A times to probability of B. This is a condition from A and B are independent or not. Independent or not. So luckily, I have a 1 and 2 probability. I have it. Now I'm going for and part. And. How to write and part? So probability hockey, A and the and I'm right in the middle. And Amos or Ben. I believe you're understanding. I repeat my words. You can see this and sign here. So what I will do, hockey, I'll write here. This is and sign. So intersection stand for and sign. And this I get from here. Now let's see how we can get this answer. So hockey and Amos and Ben. So we call combine. Look at here, students. So it means I will change this time Amos and but hockey. So these two things, Amos and Ben, but hockey. Okay, I repeat again. So he said hockey, Moss and Ben and hockey. I think got the idea. So it means if you add these two, so 32 plus 72, I get 104 out of 500. So I'm writing here 104 out of 500. Simplifying is not compulsory, but if you do it, good. Otherwise, no problem. 26 over 128. Yeah, 25, sorry, 25. Okay. Now, students, what is the formula? I'm writing this kind of formula up here. Get ready. So probability of hockey and Amos or Ben College, BE Ben. So I write this way. Okay, and this is left side done. This is left side done. Okay. Now I'm doing right side. Probability of hockey times the probability of Amos or Ben. So this I got it here, and this I got it here. I think you got the idea. So this answer I got it now here, 26 out of 125. And this answer I get from here, 11 out of 25. And this answer I get from here, 121 over 250. Let me recheck. And if you type in calculator, both sides, students, they are not equal to each other. Okay, so we can say that not independent. If they are equal to each other, it's called independent. Otherwise, not independent. I hope so point is clear.